welcome back to my channel. I'm Swtheavenlydove. Well, I'm planning to do a planner slash photo album. As you can see, it's a safari, of course, for a baby. You may be wondering why I'm not using pink or blue. It's for a baby girl, and the person I'm making it for does not like pink. So what's the next best thing? Jungle. Let me show you some of the different items that I'm planning to use. This is the Paper Studio. I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. It was half off, the 50%. It has stickers, 3D stickers, gemstones, alpha letters, and it has 5 different designs of scrapbook paper. It's not cardstock. It has Oh Baby Oh. It has the orange stripes. This is my favorite. It has the jungle animals. This one is like a map to somewhere. And green cheetah. It's kind of cute. And this is not all the papers I plan on using. I am planning on using a few more. This one is for my stash. These two are for my stash already. This is kind of a light tan. This is kind of like a medium tan. Coordinate with the paper pack. And this one is orange. It's called textured orange. It has 2 of these. And this one is called Lawn Fawn. Not Lawn Fawn. It's called Fawn Hide. So it's kind of like it is an animal print, but it looks like it could go with paper pack. And I wanted something bright, glittery. Not pink, but orange. Oops, not pink, but yellow. And I have a textured one. So, yes. Well, here are some more items I plan to use. Planner, has a book page. I plan on using this book page, and it has 2 other layering pieces. It has letters, regular and script, and numbers. I have this at AliExpress, and this is what it looks like cut out. I plan on using these cigarette boxes for the front and back, and these are those out already. Also, I plan to use a few more items. I'm not using this die per se, but I am using the bottle. I plan on using the bottle itself. See this? But I'm planning on using the bottle to put. The reason why I decided not to use this as my main die is because I want her to be able to put a picture on each page for each month, and I don't think this would be big enough to show. And I purchased this at AliExpress as well. And use this stamp. It has baby girl from AliExpress. Maybe that, yeah. bear swing. I plan on stamping it out and coloring it. Also, animals. See, it's hard to see them. Hopefully you can see. It has a giraffe and different animals. And this is the die cut for it. And monkeys, of course, in the paper packet has monkeys. This looks like a nice Dollar Tree. And use some hearts. And also use my alcohol markers to coloring the different colors. So it won't just be the diamond color, can be brown or yellow or orange, whatever color I decide to make it. Last but not least, I'm going to use these jungle animals. Another giraffe, a lion, a fox, elephant, hippo, bear. Go wild. So far, and my journey begins. I stamped out all the animals, so the next time you see them, they will be colored with my alcohol markers. Well, I've done a little work on my planner photo album. I've started it for the most part. I've layered it up. I haven't decorated. This is going to be the cover. The bottom, probably going to put some pearls on there. And this is the back. They can write the name and the date of birth. And I'm going to put a sticker up here. And I did a dresser and put a sticker up there in decorations. I have some little clothes and onesies. Oh baby oh. This is the map. I layered this one up. Layer that one. I try to separate the designs as best as I possibly could. Sounds like someone's cutting their lawn. I don't know if you can hear it or not. And this is the last page, and I was gonna put like first birthday on here, and I didn't put anything in the back. And I did some layering up for the pictures for each one. I did the smaller ones for the, like, you can put it around here and put some decorations on the top and bottom. I think I'm gonna put like if this is 11 months, put 11 months. And then I have the bigger one, this one right here, for the first birthday, or 1 year old. So this is all I have. I still need to put the stickers on. This one and this one. And then I have a few, like this is baby, a rattle, this is another baby, a onesie, a yellow onesie, this is a safety pin in the yellow, another baby, another rattle, a onesie. This one I put clear, oh my gosh, clear embossing powder. It's another, and I put clear embossing powder on this one as well. And just some more. I did it on this right here on the rattle. And then I use alcohol markers to make it green. And then I have a few more. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this up and put like the elephant and the hippo. I have a lion. I use my alcohol markers. Another elephant and hippo. And I have one giraffe. My other giraffe is missing. Oh, yeah, he's missing an ear, sorry. But this is... So, I did those with my Artis alcohol markers. So, this is all I have for now. So, hopefully, the next scene, it's all together. Well, I'm finally finished this planner slash photo album for the baby girl. She's already here and I can show it now. I used the 3 rings. I think these are 1.5 inches. You can use smaller ones if you want to, but I thought this was, just, you know, if you want to put photos in here, you know, it gets bulk up. Should have space. So, baby girl in gold. I put a little bling up here. The bottle, this is actually, I used alcohol marker to color this into this yellow color, then I put vellum over it. Let me get a little closer look. It says, welcome to the jungle. I put name and date of birth. And the mother can put it in herself or see her own handwriting. Then I found a baby blessing for the baby. And up here it says, I love you. And I use these reinforcers. I had to cut them off some because it was too big. Then I did a layering of the mom and dad. Either they can put their name or a picture of each of them. That's up to them. And then I put a dresser with a little onesie. You are loved, and a safety pin. I used the corner of my label maker to do the bottom and to do the edges. And actually the alphabet and letter, I use this, I believe it was from Tuesday morning. And here I printed off some line paper for if they want to write any thoughts or anything. And it says, hello little one, and thoughts, oh baby, oh. And here's just born. They can put a picture right here of the just born, our wild one. This one is 1 month. They can put there 2 months. And this is the little stickers from the paper pad. And this one, I did this one horizontal. Born to be wild. Stay wild, my child. Shine bright, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. I die cutted the rattler out. This is from the sticker, 8 months. Another sticker, and this, I stamped it out and I used my alcohol markers to color it in. This monkey, and this is how to die. It says baby, and I put a little bling. And this 11 months, And this is Oh Baby, 12 months. I put 12 months instead of 1 year since we were doing the one. And I used a bigger picture. And that is it. This album was more so for just putting a single picture of the baby of that month. And for, you can have just a whole year all together, separate. And she could give it to her when she becomes grown and say, you know, this is what you looked at 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. More of a keepsake for the baby. And that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's really appreciated if you like and comment. Take care. Toodaloo.